To me, they are not just pets, they are more like my partner in crime, my go-to for love, and the reason behind all those sweet memories. This is why we started Home by Tales of Paws, as we wanted to create a space where pet lovers could make amazing memories with our furry friends. We started as a pet cafe, and we have now grown into an all-in-one pet business, offering a variety of services for cats and dogs. And with more fluffy bodies around, we are all about keeping the air fresh and clean. That's where Panasonic Ziaino comes in. At first, I was worried about finding an air purifier powerful enough to handle our wide space. But then, we discovered the Panasonic Ziaino, which is compact yet incredibly powerful. It effectively covers all areas of our business, from the cafe to the hotel, without missing a beat. And I gotta say, the result is amazing. It's not just about getting rid of odors, it's about creating a pleasant environment for our customers. Who want to dine in a place filled with unpleasant smells, right? But the thing is, Panasonic Ziaino doesn't stop at just odor removal. It creates a cleaner and safer overall environment. Our customers can now enjoy their time here without any worries about allergy, as the allergen levels in our facilities have significantly decreased. Whereas for our furry friends, they are all in good hands, as Panasonic Ziaino uses natural solution for air purification, which is completely pet-friendly. It really creates a space where everyone feels at ease. At Home by Tales of Paws, our commitment extends beyond our customers. We care deeply about our furry friends too. And Panasonic Ziaino is like a symbol of that commitment, ensuring that both our customers and furry companions can enjoy a peaceful and harmonious experience here.
Panasonic.